Hi everyone, I'm Thabo Mokau from Laerskool Tuinrand. I'm a Coding Robotics teacher and I teach from grade 3 to 7. I think coding and robotics is very important because we are living in a digital world where every learner needs to understand how coding and robotics and how technology is used in this world and make a huge change out of it. One thing about me is that I'm a very creative guy. So whenever we have lessons, I can think of something new that we can implement through that code that we are focusing on, and also create a film out of it. So we can post it on social media to show our creativity. When they come into the classroom, they just log into Resolute and they complete quizzes or they watch videos and watch PDFs, the endpoints.
We work as a team and that's the most powerful thing you can do in robotics.
We also introduced science experiments in the robotics, inspired by all of the lessons that we have done in Resolute experiment, where they measure the moisture of the plant. If the plant is wet, it can show a full bar. If it is moist, it can show a middle bar. And if it is dry, it can show a low bar.
One day I hope of becoming an electrical engineer. Teach me how to code at the same time and fix stuff.
So I'm very excited to participate in the Roboticon, collaborate with other schools, because there are going to be many schools joining where they're going to do competitions, challenge each other. I would advise every teacher who's new to coding and robotics to get into Resolute, because Resolute has everything that you need in order to make a success out of your teaching of coding and robotics.